Omubutumwa bwe Bishop Omuheirwa yashobora mugenzi Papa Francis ng'omuntu abira ali omuchurezi arikwikyereza omuburinganiza na buri muntu okwejumbiramo arikushoborera ngu Papa Francis ashomise buri omwe emigasho eri omu njiri hamwe n'okubana obumanzi agarukire kumushoboreraho ngu ogu abire nafayo ahari rukundo eyabona na buri muntu okwejumbira omukubaje nkaboro hamwe na nabarikujogorwa.
Specific landmarks in the church and the world over. One of the outstanding qualities he's known for is for his concern for the poor. He actually declared the last Sunday before the one of Christ the King to be the Sunday for the poor, inviting all of us to have regard for the poor.
Papa Francis w'amazina je ari George Mario Bergoglio akaba omujesuiti w'okubanza okuruga muri Latin America okuhereza nka papa. Ogo abire n'amanywa bw'emirimo y'emikuru eyokwenda kukora ekereziya ey'omurembe hamwe na n'omurimo ogw'abakyara omukora emirimo ey'obuhereza.
Big posts in the church which were majorly for men these days. Even in the dicastery of the religious, we have women who have represented the women in the upper seats of the church. And also, what I can also say, Pope Francis has really known the importance of the poor, to recognize the poor, to recognize the old and the young. So we shall remember him from so many things, but more especially the recognition of women. This thing has not been there.
Declared to be a year for the year of mercy, that we should recognize God's mercy towards us, and following the example of the father of the prodigal son, who welcomed the son and showed him great mercy. So God shows mercy towards all of us.
Wanyuma y'okufa kwe obw'amagara ge gacumbagire okumara ebiro harimu n'okutwarwa omu marwariro okuceberwa emirundi nyingi oburwaire obwa pneumonia. Ekitebe ekikuru eky'obwa papa ekya Vatican kihamize ngu ogu aisirwe oburwaire obw'okushanyarara na n'omutima okureka kukora omu nju ye omuri Vatican City.
On of Pope Francis, who passed on at 7:35 Rome time, which is 8:35 Ugandan time, and he died of a stroke and some other complications of the heart.
Okwetoroora ihanga lyona abakatoliki ne bachurira okufa kwa Papa Francis kandi obwe barikuteekaho na n'ebyoto eby'okumuchurira omu makanisa n'amakereziya ag'ebyaro. Ihanga lya Uganda niryijuka omugenzi Papa kw'omuntu abire narwanirira aboro kandi arikwechureza omukuhereza abantu.
Omukiriro ogwo ekikuru muno ekikumanywa yagonzagamu n'ebyobuhangwa kandi yagonzaga muno kukonyera abanaku kandi niturora ngu Papa Francis none kikirale kyatwire eki.
Nze hano akusabira omwoyo gw'omugenzi Papa Francis kano wabaire mukuru w'Eklezia Katolika omunsi yona. Papa ono akatubungiraho hano 2015 kandi yatwegesa bingi byene byagambire kwebundaza kumanya abacheke kuyamba abana abato.
Obwensi yona abakatoliki barugumzamu n'okwetebekanisa z'okuziika Papa Francis abekiriza bashabirwe kubasigaza obuchorera n'obugumisiriza na n'okwesiga Ruhanga omu bwire obu obugumangaine.
Sickness, wars, refugees, and so forth, things which challenge us in our lives. We need not to lose hope, but continuously trust in the Lord, knowing that He's with us and He's preparing us for that life of eternity. And as such, we need to be confident and trust in the Lord.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki, Fort Poto, Habwa Tayari West.